Hey there, students! Welcome back to Apar Coaching Institute. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to navigate your student dashboard and access all the amazing learning materials we share with both our free and paid students. Trust me, it's super easy and engaging once you know the steps. And guess what? You can absolutely join as a free student with limited content access, but it's definitely worth experiencing our dashboard firsthand. The sign-up link is in the description below. And hey, if you love what you see, you can always upgrade to our paid version to unlock all features, including our incredible AI question checker. We have a demo for that too, so do check out that video. When you log into your Apar AI LMS account, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your learning home. Here, you'll see a section called My Subjects, which displays all the subjects assigned to you. For example, you might see Science with 39 items across 13 chapters, or English with 7 items and 7 chapters. Pretty organized, right? Now let's say you want to study science. Simply click on the science card and boom, you're now on your science subject page. Here's what you'll see at the top. It shows you that all 13 chapters are unlocked and 39 resources are available for you to explore. You'll also see your overall progress tracked right here. Scroll down and you'll find all your science chapters beautifully laid out. Each chapter card shows you the chapter name, how many content items it has, and your progress percentage. You'll see chapters like electricity, magnetic and heating effects, exploring forces, light, mirrors and lenses, and many more. Each chapter card also shows estimated study time and when you last accessed it. Let's pick a chapter. How about light, mirrors, and lenses? Just click on the chapter card or hit the study button. And there you go, you're now inside the chapter. Here's where the magic happens. Every chapter is organized into 3 main sections. First, you have keywords. These are the important terms and definitions you need to know. Second, there are study notes, comprehensive notes covering the entire chapter. And third, practice questions, tons of questions to test your understanding. Each section shows you how many items it contains and your progress. Let's explore the keywords section. Click on the keywords card and you'll see the keyword bank for that chapter. For light, mirrors, and lenses, you'll find 35 keywords covering everything about mirrors and lenses. You can even search for specific keywords using the search bar at the top. Here's what's really cool. Each keyword shows you its difficulty level, basic, intermediate, or advanced. It also tells you whether it's a high importance term. Click on any keyword, let's say concave mirror, and you'll get a clear definition with related terms like spherical mirror, convex mirror, and reflecting surface. And here's my favorite part. See that speaker icon next to the keyword? Click it, and the definition will be read aloud to you. This is perfect for when you're reviewing while doing other tasks or if you're an auditory learner. Notice that little apple icon on each keyword card. When you read a keyword and its definition, that apple turns green. This way, you can easily track which keywords you've already studied and which ones you still need to cover. It's super satisfying to see all those apples turn green. The same process applies to study notes and practice questions. Click on the Notes section to access comprehensive chapter notes broken into sections. Click on Practice Questions to access the question bank with 92 questions for practice. Everything is organized, timed, and tracked for you. Pro tip, you can always use the breadcrumb navigation at the top to go back to previous pages. See Subjects arrow Science at the top. Click on any part to jump back quickly. Also, use the sidebar menu on the left to quickly switch between subjects, view your bookmarks, or access your assignments. Here's a smart study strategy. Start with keywords to understand the basic terms, then move to study notes for detailed explanations. Finally, practice with the question bank to test your knowledge. This systematic approach ensures you build a strong foundation. And that's it. You now know exactly how to navigate your student dashboard and access all your learning materials. Remember, we've already prepared everything for you: keywords, notes, questions, assignments, test papers, and MCQ quizzes, all curriculum aligned and ready to use. So dive in, start learning, and watch those progress bars fill up. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Apar Coaching Institute for more learning tips and educational content. Ready to get started? Sign up for free. The link is in the description below. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Happy learning and see you in the next video.